Hi, I'm Dr. Ryan Williams, the founder of Growing Pure. Welcome to the YouTube channel. Growing Pure is all about mind-blowingly tasty plant-based cooking and taking control of our health through food. To briefly introduce myself, I hold a PhD in organic chemistry, and from there I went on and actually spent a few years working as a food scientist in the food industry. So I've really seen that side of food. But I'm also a pretty good home cook. I really love to experiment with vegan meals and make the healthiest, most delicious things I possibly can. On this channel, I want to share with you super valuable things that will massively improve your food and your health at the same time. I'm going to show you things about cooking techniques and styles that you can use in your own kitchen. You're going to see fantastic recipe videos. We're going to get into deep dives on particular foods and how beneficial, or in some cases, how harmful they can be for our health. We're going to talk about certain nutrients as well. I think it's also really important to look at our mindset when it comes to food and really think about health and fitness in a holistic way. So I want to talk about that with you as well. We can even get into a little bit of food science and biochemistry if that's the sort of thing that you're interested in. And let's talk about the inner workings of the food industry, because I've kind of seen behind the curtain, and I think that could be really interesting for you guys. And let's talk about some of the really interesting, incredible books and films out there that tell us about our food and our health. And I'm going to break these down for you into bite-sized summaries that'll be really digestible and easy to get the key points. And if there are particular topics or things you want me to talk about on this channel, let me know in the comments below and follow me on this journey, because I can't wait to share super valuable things with you guys. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.